Buenos días, estudiantes. Me llamo Señora L y hoy vamos a hablar sobre bebidas or beverages. Hi, my name is Señora L, and today we are going to talk about beverages. Some of the few examples, there are many, many more, of course. And in an earlier video, we covered different kinds of comidas or food. So primero, we have water, agua. Now my example is, of course, regular water, but also sparkling water. Agua con gas. Agua con gas. Or coffee, café. Café. Here's our example of café. Tea is té. Repite, té. This is one of my favorites. Té. And of course, lots of different kinds. Now, jugo. Juice is called jugo. And depending on what kind of juice, you would say manzana, orange juice, jugo de naranja. Lots of different kinds of jugo. Similarly with milk or leche. Now, this milk in the example is cow's milk. But just like with juice, there's many different varieties. Por ejemplo, leche de avena, oat milk. Or another example would be soy milk, leche de soja, leche de soja. And leche de cabra, leche de cabra. And of course, there are many kinds of milk as well. And for each of them, you just say, the milk of, leche de. And on this cold and rainy night, chocolate caliente es perfecta. Perfect. We're going to add a little crema batida, or whipped cream, on top of ours. For more on whipped cream and other food, of course, check out our foods video. Sidra de manzana es perfecta. And that's apple cider is fantastic. Musa. Now, sodas. There are many kinds of sodas. And soda is, in Espanol, soda, and stay the same. Because, of course, it's the proper noun for the Pepsi, Coca-Cola, stuff like that. Bebidas, many different kinds, many different wonderful